A body of mass 8 kg is acted upon by a force of 10 newtons. Find the acceleration of the body. We take down solution. In this question, we have been given the mass of the body M equal to 8 kg and the force which acts upon the body F equal to 10 Newton. We are required to find the acceleration of the body. We are going to make use of the general equation of motion using the general equation of motion, and this general equation of motion states that the force is equal to the mass times the acceleration. We are to find the acceleration. We are going to make the acceleration the subject of formula by dividing all through this equation by the mass. We take F, we divide by M is equal to MA divided by M. Then you see at the right hand side M will strike up M, and we'll be left with A equal to force divided by the mass. Now we can proceed to find the acceleration of the body. The acceleration of the body A will simply be equal to, we divide the force which is 10 Newton by the mass which is 8 kg. 2 will go into 10 5 times, and 2 will go into 8 4 times. Newton, remember Newton is simply equal to a kilogram meters per second squared. Dividing the Newton by kilogram is simply equal to dividing kilogram meters per second squared by kilograms. Kilogram will strike off kilogram, will simply be left with meters per second squared, which is the unit for acceleration. That means Newton divided by kilogram gives us meters per second squared. We can express this as a mixed fraction. This will simply be equal to, if you divide 5 by 4, it gives you a whole number part of 1 and a remainder of 1, which is to be divided by 4. It simply means the acceleration of the body will be 1 and 1/4 meters per second squared. We underline the acceleration. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.